Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blockchain News Club's Ripple XRP edition. Let's take a brief intro into today's crypto updates before going into the details. Massari founder Ryan Selkis accused SEC Chair Gary Gensler of acting with a conflict of interest, conspiring against the crypto industry. Ripple's Stuart Aldeorty calls SEC Chair Gary Gensler a political liability given that a sizable portion of voters view crypto favorably. A potential Ripple win against the SEC might be underway after Attroney said the SEC has admitted that Ripple is a software code. Ben Armstrong, the creator of BitBoy Crypto, has tweeted about various cryptocurrency exchanges delisting XRP from their platforms. He has stated that if exchanges were brave enough, they would embrace XRP. The future of XRP's price is uncertain as the current correction nears its end. The price has lost an important support level, but recent tweets from Ripple Labs offer a positive outlook for the crypto and blockchain industry. Before we dive deep into today's updates, please subscribe to our Blockchain News Club channel. It will help us immensely. Massari founder accuses SEC Chair Gensler of foul play. In an interview with CNBC, Ryan Selkis, founder of Massari, claimed that SEC Chair Gary Gensler was biased against the cryptocurrency industry because of his financial stake in the industry. Chair Gensler is a fraud, a destructive force to our capitalist system, and a $100m ex-banker pulling up the ladder after himself. The SEC has claimed that Paxos violated securities laws when it issued its Binance USD stablecoin, prompting this response. According to a February 9 announcement, Kraken's staking program for U.S. customers was terminated due to SEC enforcement action. The crypto exchange also revealed that it had paid a $30 million fine as part of the resolution. SEC Commissioner Pierce made it clear that the SEC does not have staking policies, so there are no standards by which an exchange must abide to be staking compliant. The recent events have been described as a divide between crypto and the SEC by Paradigm Policy Director and former SEC advisor Justin Slaughter. He explained that the SEC's goal is to pre-clear specific cases in accordance with existing rules. Slaughter elaborated on his stance, saying he has become less sympathetic due to the lack of regulatory progress. Personally, I was pretty sympathetic to the SEC's position 5 years ago, but have gotten less sympathetic since there's been no progress on regulations over that time. Bankless podcast host Ryan Adams disagrees with the SEC's position, arguing that crypto firms can never achieve compliance. This is by design. Similar to Adams, Selkis has stated his intention to end Gensler's political career due to his unjustifiable enforcement actions. My new goal in life is to end Gary Gensler's political career and make him the reason Biden loses re-election. Later, the founder of Massari tweeted a laundry list of reasons why Gensler is a disgrace, including Gensler's banking connections, his mischaracterization of Satoshi Nakamoto, and the unusual relationship the SEC had with fraudulent exchange FTX. SEC's crypto crackdown terrible for Democrats. Ripple's CLO, Stuart Aldeorty, took to Twitter to criticize SEC Chair Gary Gensler in light of the agency's recent actions against crypto exchanges Paxos and Kraken. His prediction is that the recent crypto-focused attacks will hurt the Biden administration and the Democrats as a whole. Aldeorty notes that despite widespread crypto crackdowns in the U.S., there are still over 40 million Americans who own cryptocurrency, the vast majority of whom are young adults of diverse racial and ethnic backgrounds. This is a sizable proportion of eligible voters, which may prove problematic for the Biden administration. If market sentiment is any indication, most people are unhappy with how the crypto industry as a whole is developing. Data analysis suggests that Aldeorty's claims hold water. New data published last week estimates that nearly half of all U.S. adults, around 46 million people, are Bitcoin investors and holders. Moreover, according to a survey conducted by NBC in March of last year, the majority of cryptocurrency enthusiasts are males between the ages of 18 and 49. 1 in 5 Americans had tried their hand at crypto in some capacity, according to the survey. Based on these numbers, Aldeorty concluded that Gensler is a political liability, despite having been nominated for the position by President Joe Biden in 2021. As a result, given their current predicament at the hands of the SEC, it's reasonable to assume that crypto advocates who feel wronged will not support the administration in the near future. A major blow was delivered to American crypto investors when the SEC recently ordered Kraken, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, to end its crypto staking program for its retail customers. Ripple has been in a legal battle with the U.S. regulator, the SEC, for quite some time now over the SEC's purported anti-crypto stance. The SEC filed charges against the cryptocurrency firm on allegations that it had violated securities laws by offering and selling XRP coins. Because of this, The value of the XRP token has fluctuated wildly, and as of this writing, it is trading on the cryptocurrency exchange CoinGape at a price of 37 cents. Ripple, we forced SEC to admit that XRP is software code and no unregistered security. Once again, Ripple is ahead of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Many industry heavyweights have shown their support for the Ripple community and its native token throughout the SEC's ongoing lawsuit against Ripple. Also, John Deaton reported that the SEC has accepted the fact that Ripple is a piece of computer code, marking another victory for the company. John Deaton is a highly respected attorney in the Ripple community for openly supporting Ripple and keeping the Ripple community informed of the latest developments in the court case. Said Deaton in a tweet. Let me quote what we forced the SEC to admit: stripped down, XRP is software code. XRP, like gold, BTC Groves, etc., can be offered and sold as a security. Whether the Ripple founders violated securities laws at some point is irrelevant to what XRP is today. On Twitter, a user claimed that XRP was a fraud, prompting John Deaton to respond. The user then claimed that Ripple Labs co-founder Chris Larsen had admitted in 2012 that XRP was security. Unsurprisingly, Deaton has a different opinion. Deaton was also not in agreement with Bitcoin apologist and self-proclaimed creator Craig Wright, who called XRP a Ponzi scheme. When he responded with the same insult, Deaton called him a pot kettle black. John Deaton wrote, I read the BTC white paper. TBH, I didn't understand all the technical stuff, but I knew I was reading something special that could change the world. Immediately, I had immense respect and affection for this Satoshi guy. Apparently, he doesn't feel the same way. John Deaton had intended to file a motion to participate as an amicus curiae before this. As part of Zakhanov vs. Ripple Labs, this brief was due to be submitted. The lawsuit alleged that Ripple sold XRP in violation of securities laws. The class action lawsuit's plaintiffs want the court to recognize all XRP holders as a single group. To defend Ripple, John Deaton presents his arguments. His primary argument is directed at debunking their allegations and demonstrating that XRP is not an unregulated security. Over 75,000 XRP holders have already indicated they will not support the plaintiffs in this case. The motion will take place in California, where these stakeholder representatives will be present. They also hold the opinion that XRP is not a security. BitBoy Crypto calls out exchanges to relist XRP following LBRY precedent. This week, several cryptocurrency exchanges have suspended trading in the XRP token in response to a complaint filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission against Ripple Labs, the token's developer. Crypto.com, Coinbase, and OKCoin are just some of the exchanges and financial websites that have reported a halt in trading of the XRP coin. Since then, many new details have emerged, and the SEC has struggled to defend its actions. Most people believe that Ripple will ultimately prevail in court. The community wonders if protecting its users from government overreach is behind Coinbase's decision to delist XRP in 2020. BitBoy Crypto also weighed in with his thoughts. Come with me, I have ideas. BitBoy Crypto's Ben Armstrong has tweeted that several exchanges have removed support for XRP. He has claimed that XRP would be accepted by all exchanges if only they had the courage to do so. He has also claimed that it takes no courage to assert that the secondary market does not include securities, thanks to the $LBRY case setting a formal legal precedent in this regard. Only the initial purchase is allowed too. The cryptocurrency exchange LBRY has requested that Coinbase reinstate support for XRP. That was yesterday's tweet request from the blockchain team that stores all of the digital content. LBRY claims that when the criteria set forth in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission action against LBRY are applied to XRP on the secondary market, it does not meet the definition of a security. It's not surprising that the tweet prompted a flood of requests with similar wording from the XRP community. Ripple's XRP analysis: lack of news causes price support loss. As the current correction nears completion, the future of XRP's price is uncertain. The price has broken below a key support level, but recent tweets from Ripple Labs paint a positive picture for the cryptocurrency and blockchain sectors. Since June 2022, XRP's price action has been contained within a symmetrical triangle pattern, which is characterized by a series of lower and higher lows in technical analysis charting. With this triangle pattern, both the resistance and support lines have been confirmed multiple times. These support and resistance levels are areas where a lot of trading activity has taken place. A bullish hammer candlestick, characterized by a small body, a long lower shadow, and little or no upper shadow, was formed on January 2, 2023, indicating an upward price trend. An increase above $0.380 was met with rejection on multiple occasions over the course of nearly a month, preventing the price from breaking out of the triangle. Due to the recent decline below the $0.380 area, the Daily Relative Strength Index, a momentum oscillator used to measure the speed and change of price movements, has fallen below 50, a bearish sign. The direction of the next price move may depend on whether or not the triangle pattern is broken out of. The XRP token could reach $0.505 on a breakout, while its lows for 2021 are at $0.300. It is likely that the XRP price will soon reverse its bearish decrease and attempt to break out from the triangle. However, if the price closes below $0.360, this hypothesis would be invalidated, and the price could drop to $0.300. While chart analysis can provide insight into potential price movements, it's crucial to remember that unexpected events can impact the market and alter the current outlook. Market sentiment, which can contradict technical indicators, can also result in unexpected price movements. While technical analysis can help predict future price movements, multiple interpretations of the same chart could result in varying predictions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates in the blockchain community.